English Language Teaching Center was established in 2002. We are currently under the Teacher Education Division in the Ministry of Education Malaysia. We have a staff of about 80 currently, and it's made up of lecturers and admin staff. Currently, we are involved with the training of primary and secondary school teachers of English. So we focus on in-service teachers. So when I first went into ELTC, one of the problems I noticed was that lecturers and admin staff was using different sorts of email to communicate with each other. So some were using Yahoo, Gmail. There was no one system for this organization. I also noticed that there wasn't a framework or platform in which lecturers and the teachers that came into the courses could collaborate on. So that was one of the problems I noticed. The other problem was that when we wanted to meet for meetings and other collaborative activities, we also couldn't communicate because of the disparate emails and not having a platform to do it on. So we had lots of these small problems which I wanted to find a solution to. In addition to some of the problems I mentioned, because our training courses cover the whole of Malaysia, which means both East and West Malaysia, we had different places where we needed to have teachers have access to our technologies, especially in our ICT courses. So what I did was to look at Microsoft Office 365 and Google. What I did was I compared both systems together, looked at the features, and then looked at the future rather than the existing solutions. I looked at all the features that were important to me, and there were three main features. One was that we needed the system to be secure. Two, we needed the system to be easily managed. Three, it had to be free somehow. And Google offered their system for free. It can be managed by individuals or a small team and easily done as well. And ultimately, the third one, security and privacy, they couldn't offer to us because I know Google data mines all the emails they use, even under the edu domain. So because of the third consideration, I didn't choose Google. In the end, after my extensive research and experience from using other technologies, we decided upon the Office 365 and Azure for our solution in ELTC. After that, we needed a partner to install the solution. So we approached Microsoft, they selected a partner, and we worked with them extensively to set up our Office 365/Azure platform.
As a Microsoft certified gold partner and with our years of experience working with Microsoft technology, we decided to actually take up the challenge of implementing this ELTC project. With the given scenario of the project, we were responsible to actually study the situation and decide what technology to propose to counter challenge faced by the ELTC. After extensive analysis and months of discussion, we proposed a solution that integrates the best with Office 365 in the cloud and Windows Azure. We also use ADFS as our Active Directory.
For us, Link, SharePoint within Office 365 were important because those sorts of technologies we can build upon. I mean, we needed to come up also other solutions for the ministry. So we needed to sort of offer services for other organizations within the ministry that we could roll out rather quickly. So SharePoint, for example, if the other organization asked us to create wikis, blogs, or even websites, we could actually create that for them. And it looked as if it belonged to them. But actually they're using our system seamlessly, and we could manage both our system and their systems without much trouble. The partnership with Microsoft has been really, really great. Office 365 and Azure has been one of our best solutions so far, especially for ELTC, and even, I should say, for the ministry to consider. It has been a rewarding experience for us. Office 365 has enabled us to provide an easy-to-use solution for our organization.